To our group is the use of internet. Considering the ancient times, the communication used to take place through telegrams and through other postal services. But such things are very inefficient. You don't know when they would reach the person to whom you are addressing it, and they are very time consuming. And moreover, there are chances of misplacing in between when they travel from one place to another. So what happened in 1990s? The privatization came in, globalization took place, and what happened in globalization? Various MNCs and PNCs came into existence. Multinational corporations and transnational corporations were such that they need to interact with the people. They need to interact with the people living foreign as well as. It's not possible to travel from one place to another. It consumes a lot of time, lot of energy, and plus lots of cost. And moreover, it is not possible in today's busy life of everyone. So internet came into an existence. Considering the basic aspect of internet, it is a wide network of computers that connect millions of users at a time. You can easily access the information on an internet. You can send the mails to everyone. It is very cost efficient, reduces the cost, and enhances your speed. Plus, face-to-face communication can also take place. There is no such fact that face-to-face communication cannot take place if the people are sitting in abroad. There are webcams and video conferences which give you a feel that you are sitting in front of the person and talking easily. Further advantages would be given by Soman.
The advantages are first, fast communication, face-to-face communication, easily accessible, easily available at any time, and promotion, buying, selling of goods and services, and use of e-banking, e-commerce, and education, etc. And
so every coin has two parts, good part and bad part. So what we on the negative side of internet. If we use internet, it is accessible to minors, and there's lot of stuff that they should not access, and this can entice them easily and are being enticed. And second, data is not secured in internet. There's always threat of hacking which you cannot eradicate. And number third, while using internet, we don't realize how much time we are losing. Like we use Facebook, we use WhatsApp, and this affects our day-to-day scheduling. And we are shifting, and we are growing casual day by day. And sometimes, if we rely wholly on internet, sometimes the system failure happens. At the last time, you won't be able to access what you want to access, and this could hurt you and hurt you big time. Thank you.
But considering the basic aspect, everything has its own pros and cons. You cannot say that it has entirely advantages or disadvantages. But considering the basic aspect, our view is that internet has the most advantages. Like earlier, the marketing used to take place that people has to go from one place to another. So it involves, as usual, a lot of time. Now marketing can be done easily. Online selling of the products can take place. You can publicize your products in an online way. Education has become much more easier. Online classes take place. People who are unable